full sound, you know, and then you'll get that scrapey sound, that sound where you're kind of in between, and you have to make sure you have your reed wet enough, you know, so that you can hit it. Put a lot of air through the horn to make sure everything pops out. And what I'm doing now, I'm just playing with the purpose of just getting a nice full sound, playing arpeggios. So what you want to do, you can slur going from the middle to the bottom, or you can play the articulation. Usually when you slur it, you can usually hit the notes because you're kind of keeping your airstream flowing and sliding into the next note at the bottom. But if you're going to do the articulation, then your airstream has to be really strong and consistent to be able to hit the low notes without missing it. And always make sure I have my reed wet. And lips, sometimes your lips need to be wet too. So see right there, I lost it. That's because my airstream wasn't strong enough, because I was playing the ones above it and losing air, or losing the air pressure, because, you know, the longer that you play, the more your air is exhausted. So that's one of the things you can keep in mind too. Just think about when you're playing a long passage or you've been playing for a while, you might need to just take a deep breath or take a breath so that you can get the low notes out. So a lot of times it's not enough air, which causes the bottom notes not to come out. Okay? So I like to get a nice full sound from the bottom to the top. So I'm just really trying to get everything out where it sounds nice and full and smooth.